Alright, you ready? This is how simple it is to build a website here in ClickFunnels, right? Sections. We're going to build one for a power wash company. Drop it into here. Let's put a little picture in. One column. I already uploaded most of the image files, so most of them are already uploaded in there for me. Like right here. So they give you many options on how you would want it to come out, like there, see? Now the guy hasn't given me his logo yet, so I'm just gonna leave that like that right here. Adding the picture, adding sections in, you can just, it can be a full width, meaning the entire page. You can do stuff that, or add sections that are only half of a page, medium, small length. Here's a small one going in. Honestly, it's only going to take up this much of the space, but as a main image, you want it to go to the entire screen, so you put the full length. I'm not going to go full into it because this is how I pretty much ended his site, like this. But everything, it's so simple. I mean, you just adding the picture in, you can add certain, obviously different sections. You can add different elements in the onto the page. There's headline, sub-headlines, paragraphs, bullet list, image, everything. You can add video, you can add certain buttons, input. Now, like if you would want to add like an opt-in form, you can just do add new row, one column, obviously. Put an element, and here's, go to the form section, get input, there, bam. And set it up, you set it up for the email, and bam, now all you have, now they can enter their email address, and then put underneath of it the submit button. Now to say this is like the guy's main page, you would or set up something like it should be a headline actually. I'm sorry. Shit. Oh, sorry, my daughter's in the background playing with one of her toys. So you'd want one column set up. Here's this. Put in submit your information below to get a free quote sent over. So then they would type in their email address. Let's get a preview of it. I didn't see it. Shit. Shit. Cool. So when they would come up into it, they would enter their email address, click to sign up, and then you would automatically get notified of them signing up, and then you could set up your autoresponder to automatically contact them and send them an email. So it's so simple to make everything. I don't know why I didn't record me making these websites, because these are amazing websites, well, decent websites that I started out making for them. I got a lot of touch-up work that I have to do, but I mean, to basically start it off, it's just a pretty decent website to start someone off in, or start someone off with. So, and that's all within ClickFunnels that it was made. So ClickFunnels doesn't only just do sales pages. You can also build a business website within ClickFunnels too. I mean, see, I'll stick these up top. It won't move, so this whole thing will always be up there. And it's a great tool to be with. So later on, I'll make another video on how to set up like your autoresponder and your integrations. Like right now, I have my Aweber and MailChimp and everything to integrate. So when someone would sign up through here, it would go right to my Aweber account, and they would be contacted through that autoresponder. So ClickFunnels, it's definitely an amazing tool to build any type of website with. You can build, most everyone's using it for sales funnels, but obviously, look, I mean, you can build a perfectly good main website for yourself too. So stick with me, and every day I'll make a video for you to teach you how to use a certain aspect within ClickFunnels. There's so much stuff that to use within the actual program itself. So it really is a simple drag and drop platform. You can add up to just a right sidebar. You can put in a picture over here, and then you can add like a paragraph over here. I mean, it's so simple, and they look so good too. Like I don't know. I'm not trying to toot their horn too much, but it's such a great program to be with. You can build the regular websites. You can build the sales funnels, and they even give you the option. Well, not the option, but you can do your own, the SEO data in here. Like they have keywords, everything. Like this is how it would show up on Google.